Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this magic eraser. So this item is getting pretty popular with cleaning interiors and scrubbing and detailing, and I just wanted to give it a test and share my personal opinion with you guys on how it's worked with me and what I think about it. So please follow along with me. I'm going to try cleaning my steering wheel. So let's get started, and at the end I'll share with you guys my final results. As far as the product, use any cleaner that you guys love. So I'm using this leather cleaner. I'm just going to spray a couple squirts, and then with the magic eraser I'm just going to start erasing all the dirt off. As you guys see, just with a little bit of erasing, I've already gotten this much gunk off of our dirty steering wheel. And now I'm going to give you guys a bit of a close-up. So as you guys see right here, it's pretty dirty, and if I wipe my fingers on it, it's not going to clean it. So I'm going to apply a couple of squirts of my cleaner and then just start scrubbing and erasing away. Amazing difference, right? I'm going to do the same thing all around the steering wheel. Let's start erasing. And since this side's getting dirty, I'm going to just flip it and do the same thing. So does the magic eraser work? For me, it cleaned the steering wheel about 90%. There were still some areas where there was grime and dirt still remaining that did not get scrubbed off. But there is one major issue, and that is that the magic eraser starts eating away the color of the surface. So on my gray steering wheel, I have some black spots now where the color was basically eaten off with the magic eraser. So that's a major issue, but otherwise cleaning wise, it did a very good job. I can't say I recommend it due to it messing up my steering wheel in some spots. Your results may vary, but I really hope you guys enjoyed my personal opinion and review on the magic eraser. And if it did help you guys out, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.